Very good evening to each and everyone present over here. This is Mehraj, and today I'm over here to tell you that why should you invest in Weekend Institute. I know you must be wondering that why I'm telling investment. As we all know, in this time everyone is looking for investing their money in gold and properties for their future. But as you all know that in future, approximately 2050, money would not work everywhere. Along with the money, we have to be talented, we have to be skillful, and we have to be good in our field to have a bright future. And to be skillful, to be talented, we have to take some steps in this age. Then where can we take this type of steps? School is a better choice, but in school, there is one major problem that we go to school, we come back home, we mug up what we study. We again go to school, we give exam, and sometimes we get good marks. And at that time, our parents say, keep it up, keep going. Sometimes we get bad marks, and that's why our parents say, from tomorrow onward, we have to go to tuition classes. This is the reality. But this is the worst method of learning anything, the rectification method. So the question is that then where can we take the step? Then we have the every solution. And this is the Weekend Institute. Guys, we are the luckiest people because we live in such a beautiful town, and in this town we have such a beautiful institute where we can learn practically. Even in the bigger cities like Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar, we doesn't get this type of facilities. So this is Sony Subhaga for all of us. Now let me tell you that Weekend is famous of public speaking and English speaking skill. Then you might be wondering that we can get English speaking in our school. So why should we join Weekend? You should join Weekend because in your school you learn English as a subject, not as a language. English is a language, and language is used to communicate. In your school, you go, you write question answer, you come back, and the same process continue of your exams and result. But here in Weekend, we learn practically. Like a small child learn his or her mother tongue by listening to others. And this type of techniques are used in Weekend Institute to teach English language. And a child required at least 3 years to speak perfect mother tongue. I'm saying perfect, not able to, because we are able to speak English after 1 2 years, but a child require at least 3 years to speak perfect English, and that's why parents send their child after 3 years to the school, and that's why I can say weekend course is at least of 2 to 3 years, not only 2 to 3 months. And now again, some people think that weekend is very expensive class. But you people are comparing weekend class with unusual class where they want you to mug up. But in weekend they teach you really practically. And that's why I can say if you want to compare, then compare the investment with investment. This is also the investment for your future, because as I have already mentioned, you have to be skillful in the future to have a bright future. So this is also one type of investment. So if you want to compare, then compare the gold price, the property price with weekend institute price. There is no comparison. This is really a very important investment. And once again, I am telling this is Sony Peshwaga for all of us. We have such a beautiful class in this type of such a small town. So it's all. Thank you very much.